Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of January 11th through the 17th. I'm using a kit from Robyn's Crafts. I've never used one of her kits before, but I thought it was really cute. It's called Winter Wonderland. I think I printed it a little badly. I think everything's a little smaller than it should be, but I think it's still going to turn out really cute. So I'm just going to go with it. To go with this, because there's no bottom washi, I pulled this red washi tape from Dollar Tree. I don't know if I'm going to need that one. I also have this one from Michaels and then this one from Scotch. I think these two are going to make up the bottom. I think once everything's together, these are going to go really well. And then I have a few other things to pull in to fill in some stuff that I need to do during the week. So I think my plan is to just kind of get started. I'm going to put down the headers. I'm going to put down the bottom washi. I'm going to put down the weekend banner, and then I'll come back and we can do all the fun stuff. Okay, so this is where we currently stand. As you can see, all of these are a little short, but I actually think it's kind of cute. So it doesn't bother me. I'm gonna now put in the full boxes. So obviously those two go together and those two go together. I feel like the two glitter ones go together, which leaves these two. So I'm gonna put this one as my quote box. It's a little bit short. I think I'm gonna leave it that way and then just make all the other lines go past it. I think that'll be the way to go. And then I'm gonna stick this one on Thursday. Like so. I think I might do the glitter ones next. I don't know. I don't think it really matters. I just don't want to put the stripes like right next to the pattern on Thursday because I feel like that's too many patterns close together. I wish these stripes went the opposite direction of each other. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, I guess I'll put this one over here. So I'm gonna put this one over here. It has more red on it, and I feel like since the glitter is all blue over there, I don't know, whatever. All right, there we go. That's kind of like all the base stuff down. So over here, I'm gonna just use this washi, I think. Or I want to try to use this. This one's like a little bright. Maybe I'll use this one. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this washi this length, but all my habit tracker is a little wider than this, so we'll see. I pulled out the Sweet Kawaii Designs book from Michaels, and it has a ton of habit trackers, which I've never used, so I'm gonna use one of these guys. So it's like just a tiny bit narrower. So I might kind of center it like so. Yeah, that's not straight. The other part of the equation. Still not straight, but whatever. I tried my best. I'm gonna stick some more of this washi here. There we go. And then I'm gonna stick this guy, like a little cleaning checklist. I'm gonna stick that in right there. But I'm not really sure. I could put like one of these. You guys can't really see. I don't really know what else I want to put in. So I might just leave this check like section right here kind of blank right now. And just stick another strip of washi. Like so. And then I'll figure out how I want to fill this like bottom section at some point in the future. Okay, so I have these Piper Paper Company Instagram stickers, and that's what I'm going to use. I think this one has one. See, it's like not quite red. It's like dark pink. So I'm going to use the same color for the Piper Paper Company. I'm going to track my Instagram posts just like I typically do. Yeah. So that goes there. Okay. So first up, on Monday, I have work, like always. I'm going to use this But First Coffee, like Coffee Monday sticker. Even though I don't really drink coffee, I feel like that's appropriate, so I'm going to use that. Afterwards, I want to mark, I think I'm going to use maybe the darker gray here. Another Piper Paper Company, I need my tweezers. A little film strip to mark my plan with me. That's going to go up. I think that's everything I have for Monday. Tuesday, I'm going to start using these flags, I think, for the rest of the week for work. So I'm just going to use this like whitish one. It's like off-white. There we go. While I'm at it, I think I will fill in the one on Wednesday as well. All right, there we go. Nothing else on Tuesday. On Wednesday, I think I'm going to use one of these boxes just because I feel like it. I don't know. So I'm going to use one of these. I have a doctor's appointment. It's like 8 something. I have these Creative Cavern Studio stickers that I'm going to use. Little stethoscopes. It's a women's health appointment, so maybe not a lot of stethoscopes, but you know, whatever. All right, gonna stick that in. There we go. I don't know anything else for the first half of the week. Okay, and then I'm gonna fill in Thursday and Friday with these last 2 flags for work. And then I'm just kind of stuck. So sometime over the weekend, I have to go get a COVID test prior to doing some health tests next week. But I don't know which way I'm going to go. It could be any of these 3 days. This day starts... maybe I'll stick in a box. So this is the start of the historical romance readathon. I'm just gonna stick in a book, like a thing here. I don't have a sticker handy that's appropriate for this, so I might just not write anything in that box right now, and we will just remember that that's a thing. Okay, so this is what the pre-planning looks like before the pen. I'm going to use my iHow 0.38 like always, write in the stuff I know right now, and then I will be right back. All right, so that's where I'm going to leave it. I will fill this box in eventually once I figure out where I put my reading stickers. Okay, so a little smudgy smudge there. All right, it's going to be fine. So that is pre-planning. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. I love how it turned out. I'll do a little wiggle for the washi here at the bottom. In terms of leftovers from the kit from Robyn's Crafts, not a lot. A couple of like Bill Do's, a Payday, and a couple other script stickers. So going to my leftovers, hang out there. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit. This washi tape's from Amazon. This is a Piper Paper Co. This habit tracker and this checklist are both from Sweet Kawaii Designs from their Michaels collection. It's from American Crafts. This is Scotch tape and then Michaels washi tape. Another Piper Paper Company. This is a leftover, I want to say from Plannerology Studio, but I'm not certain. This was a leftover from My Planner Life UK. This one's from Avalon and Ninth. This leftover, I have no idea where that one came from. This is from Creative Cavern Studio. Another Creative Cavern Studio, My Planner Life UK. Another of those leftovers, I don't know where they came from. This is from Pink Pixel Graphics, but her shop is closed. Avalon and Ninth. My Planner Life UK. This is the leftover, probably from Plannerology Studio. I'm just guessing, I'm not sure. Another one, I don't know where it came from. My Planner Life UK. Creative Cavern Studio, Courses Creations. Another American Crafts. Avalon and Ninth. This is a leftover from my shop. And then a leftover from My Planner Life UK. Creative Cavern Studio, Unknown, and Chasing Shells. So, pretty good mix. Got to use a lot of leftovers, which was really nice. I enjoy how this kit came out. It was fun colors, very bright and cheerful, which was really nice. Tough week, but also a better week than I've been having, so that was really nice. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Let me know what kits you're using for February and March. I'm trying to finalize all my plans for that in the next week or so. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.